All right, today we're gonna make ratatouille from Ratatouille.
Yay! Yay!
We're following a recipe from DisneyDishesBlog.com, so the link will be in the description, and you can see what we're doing.
This feels hollow, but it has stuff in it.
Oh, we're supposed to use Japanese eggplant, but they didn't have that at our grocery store, so we're just gonna cut down regular eggplant. All right.
So we don't have a mandolin to make the very precise, beautiful slices that you see in the movie at the end. So we'll have to freehand it. We'll see how that goes.
All right, are you guys ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's get cooking. All right, so we finished cooking our ratatouille. You want to get it out?
Right now. Oh.
Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
All right, put it here. Careful, it's hot, guys. All right, what do you think? You guys ready to plate it?
The recipe said if you wanted to do it really fancy, you could get like a ring mold and kind of put the vegetables around the ring mold and then take the ring mold out. And then you drizzle some vinaigrette on top as well as some sauce kind of around the plate. Think like super fancy restaurant plated style with like just sort of artistic dots around the plate. That is so pretty.
We're not that fancy. All right, so we'll just scoop out some ratatouille. For Isaiah.
No.
Look at my ratatouille.
I was just gonna like
Look at my ratatouille.
dot it. I've seen Disney do this before. They put the sauce in just spots, and you kind of just need to move your fork around to get it. I don't know. Maybe that doesn't look pretty. I mean, I'm not really a Disney chef. Spoon here. Get your spoon. Get some sauce and decorate your plate with sauce.
That's in the video.
Nice, buddy. Very cool. Abstract. I like it.
Look.
Joy, do you want to decorate yours with sauce?
Sure.
How about Lana?
Lana, do you want to decorate yours?
And then
Put some sauce on your plate. Here,
candy
can I put
cups
some sauce on there?
with sauce.
Take the spoon.
Pour it on your plate. Good job.
Good job, Lana. All right, Joy's turn.
Minnie Mouse.
That is Minnie Mouse, you're right.
Yeah. Minnie Mouse.
Ooh, nice, Joy. I like it.
Or do you like mine?
I really like yours, for sure. Nice. Looks like a beautifully. Ooh, and on top of it? Nice. And then we're gonna put. Okay, Daddy's turn. Oh! And then it calls for a drizzle of balsamic as well. Do you want to pour some on? Well, I don't know.
I know.
We don't have a lot of this
Can
left.
you still the video again?
So I'll just do that.
Capture the video.
Here, Lana, this one is yours.
Oh, Zaya's already diving in. What do you think, buddy?
Here you go, Lana.
Flag it.
It's great.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Like it's yummy.
It's like it's yummy. It's great like it's yummy.
Mm-mm.
I'm glad you like it.
Mm-mm.
Lana, you cutting? Good job.
Oopsies.
What do you think, Joy? What'd you say?
You like the recipe?
Who are you talking to?
Joy? I like the sauce a lot.
Sauce is
Sauce is
amazing.
very good.
Sauce is the best part.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so good. The sauce really makes it. It was worth all those steps.
Mm-hmm. All right, so that was us making Ratatouille from the movie Ratatouille. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah! It was the best video ever since it had a kitty in it.
All right. Well, that was a lot of fun.
That's
Good luck,
Good luck
on
on
your
your
adventures.
adventures.
Bye.
Do you guys want to eat more?
Yeah. No, I don't.
You don't like it?
Well, I do like it. But I guess it's like spicy.
Oh, is it too spicy?
Mm-hmm.